Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Joby here. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. And today's video, guys, we are going to organize our kitchen. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby.
Before we organize our kitchen, guys, I would like you to walk through first. As you can see, it's so messy. But before we organize, as I've said, we are going to clean this mess first and then we will continue. And today's video, guys, is also collaboration with my YouTube bestie, Everyday May. She's a mom of one boy. She's a loving mama. She's helpful, very supportive. You're gonna love her, guys, as I do. She does mommy vlogs, cooking, organization, and editing. Please show some love to her. Please go watch her video after mine and subscribe to her and tell her I sent you. If you are from Everyday May channel, I'm so grateful you're here and welcome. I'm Joby, a mom to two beautiful girls. I do cleaning, organization, cooking videos, and mommy vlogs. So let's tackle this mess, guys. I hope you enjoy the music as well. I always hand wash all the things that don't go to the dishwasher, guys.
And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste days. I'll follow you, yeah. Promise that I will stand by you forever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you.
In today's video, guys, we are going to organize our kitchen. Yes, we are going to put all these, guys, these cooking utensils into here. Okay, guys, so this was our small pantry before, guys, but because it is very small, so me and my husband decided to buy a new one. But this one, guys, we bought last December, this big one, this one, guys. Anyways, yes, guys, so we are going to arrange all these ones, guys, because I really want to organize also this one, this drawer, this one, guys, this drawer, as you can see, yeah, it's messy, this one as well, and this one, because I really want to put all these cooking utensils together in that side, guys, in that side, yeah. I bought these two liners, yeah, and we can put this under so it won't scratch the bottom. All right, so let's get started. But first I'm going to clear all these things we have in here. Yes, let's clear. It's quite big enough, yeah, to keep all our utensils here, to keep all our cooking utensils here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, the frying pan, pots, something like that, yeah. And we still have food here, yes. So let's get started, guys. First, I'm going to remove all this. Yes. And then we're going to clean it. And then we're going to put the liner. Let's see what's inside of this bin. Okay, so this sweet is from Iran. I also have this one, guys, sago, but this is many years ago. I'm not sure if okay pa siya. Let's see yung expiration date niya. Let me check. I'm going to check this one. This one, guys, is alamang from the Philippines. Many years ago na ito, guys. Hindi pa kaya sira ito, no? Kasi ano naman, na conserve naman siya ng mabuti. Yes, and it's really good, guys, sa manga, sa mango, sa manga. I still have a little bit of chia seeds here, sweets, coconut. Yes, and also this one, breast milk bags. Kaso nga lang, guys, hindi naman uminom sila kota sa naka-freeze na milk ko, kaya I didn't use it. Finally, this one, guys, sayang, no? Kanino ko kaya ibigay ito? Yes, guys, so okay, let's set aside. Ayan, guys. So let's clean it.
So I just spray Lysol and I am using a wet cloth, guys. Not wet, but damp cloth to clean it. Yes.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So, guys, hindi matanggal-tanggal yung mga yellow part here. I don't know why. Yes. And here as well, this one, if you can see that. Okay, guys, so I'm going to wipe with kitchen towel and then I'm going to put the liner. Okay, guys, and now it's dry, so let's cut this liner. It's like this, guys. It's transparent. Yeah. And it's like rubber, guys. So it's like that, guys. It's like this. Now we have to cut it from here.
Jumping from cliffs so high.
Yes, enough.
Good enough.
Good enough. Because you know what, Daddy, I'm going to put all the cooking utensils here, like pots and pans. Huh?
Very good.
Yes, hooray! So we're going to put all this here, the big This one. Daddy? Because it's so high and I cannot reach it. Huh? Okay, so let's put this one here. Yes. Ta-da! So nice, huh? Better.
Very good, sweetie.
Now this one too. What Tia?
Bateria.
And we can put glasses here, no, Daddy?
Yes.
Mugs. This side. Huh? Hooray! Nakuta, look. Maybe it's too high. But because we use this one often, so we have to do it. And Lakota, don't open here and take out everything. Do you understand? No? And now Mommy's going to put all this there, Lakota. So you have to behave. See? See? Say hi to the camera. Hi. Yes, guys, so we are going to arrange this one, guys. Yes. Oh, my husband put my husband put back again those, wait guys, those pots.
Trust in our wings to fly.
I'll put liner here also, guys.
Crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
I use Lysol and damp cloth to clean this shelf also, guys. And then after that I use kitchen paper to dry it, and then I put liner. One video was corrupt, guys, so I have not the footage while putting the cups and glasses.
Now guys, it's time to tackle this.
I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company.
And now guys, all this one, guys, we're going to transfer it to here. All behaving. This one, guys, is for paella. Yes, and it's new. I think I used only once or twice.
Better too late.
I will just put paper on top, guys, so it won't scratch.
You know we could do better, so take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you.
And now, guys, look at this. So dirty. We are going to clean this one, guys, because I want to arrange also all these. All these ones are our tablecloth. These ones are hand towels, I mean kitchen towels, guys. Yes, aprons and all that. And here are our utensils, cutleries.
I'm very happy, guys, with the outcome. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And guys, please check out my bestie's channel, Everyday May, and be on the lookout also, guys, for the part 2 of this, because I'm going to arrange our drawers. Hope to see you again, guys, in the next one. Bye.